Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add blog posts to pages in WordPress. There are some few steps which you need to do. So let's get started. First of all, on your screen, we are looking at pages, and under pages, we have blog post over here. And you can see this, we have post page. You might not be seeing this. Why? Because I will show you the settings which you need to do. First of all, once you create your own page over here, under this page, we have added our blogs over here. This is by pre-made. So as you can see, this is by theme. So that's why it's looking like this. And once you add your post over here, and how you can add your blog post, obviously you need to create in post. As you can see at the left side of the menu, we have created our post of our blogs over here. Once you create that, add that to your page. And once you add that to your page, you will see something like this. Now we need to appear this on our pages in WordPress. So how you can do that? Obviously, you can see, you might not be seeing this, but how you can do that? So let's get started. First of all, you need to click on settings, and under settings, you will find reading. Once you click on that, you might end up over here and you maybe find this option enable, not this one. So you need to enable this one, our static page. And once you do that, go for home, and after that, post page would be blog. After that, just click on save changes. Later on, what you're gonna do, go to appearance and click on menu. Once you click on menu, you might end up over here, and here you can see that this is my menu, and which you will find on my page at above over here. And this is where I'm going to add my blog post. As you can see, I have already done that. How you can do that? Just search that over here and you can check that in the recent pages also. Once you find that, and obviously this is the one which I was looking for, just click on this, add to menu, and you will add that over here. Obviously you can move them around or anything. And once you add that post page, you will see post page over here also. If you see this in my pages, you will see this post page. Why? Because we have changed static page, right? You might not be seeing this, but for me, it is available because I have done that in readings over here. So this is why it's showing up like that. Once you do that, all those stuff, make sure to click on save menu. Obviously, you can play around it if you want. And once you do that, you will see that you will add blog posts to pages in WordPress. And here it is looking like right now. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye-bye and take care.